So, my husband got the John Deere stuck, as you guys can see. The plows are not broken. He took them off and they're laid out back there. This is a very wet field. It's basically a swamp back here. I have no idea why he was even back here plowing. But here we are. And got my baby. We're watching. That's Steven helping him. So, this is his first time plowing, you know. This is his third time getting stuck, I think. Not this, I think this is the worst though. So, well, he's still digging the tractor out. We can look at all this beautiful dirt. Isn't that nice? It's like an ocean of dirt. This is what a farmer's ocean front view looks like. And then there's the sunken ship. Fun. So it's been probably 5 or 10 minutes. My husband's still digging because they bottomed out pretty good, so just trying to dig that out. Wow. Yeah. This is memories right here.
This thing is very right to the
Are you having fun, love?
No. Not in the moment. Absolutely not.
Just wait, years down the road, this will be a good story to tell. So they're still deciding. We had our neighbor come down and he's gonna get his Telehandler, I think it's called, to come out and help. I think they're gonna give it one more go while our neighbor is running to go get his machinery. So yep, lots of fun. And we're having one of the best naps right now. Yeah. And for the record, I'm just adding this. Mom, if you're watching, because this is her tractor, if anything breaks, it was not me this time. Nope. It was your husband and my husband. Not my fault. I'm just sitting here chilling with baby. And my job is just to record and make sure that they don't hurt themselves. I'm basically an EMT on standby. Yep. My mom is at a standby right now, and this is my standby. So, I think this is attempt number 3 since I've been out here. I just saw our neighbor come down the road, so he'll be here soon. The party's just getting bigger. Oh boy. Oh my gosh! Woo! Yay! Woohoo! They did it! Yay! Oh, yay. And we slept through all of that, huh, baby? Even mommy screaming. Good job, love. Even though he can't hear me.